Hello students, today we learn character or string representation in computer. It is our data representation class of part 7. Computer should recognize code that represent letters of the alphabet, punctuation, marks and other special character as well as number. So generally whatever we type in a computer does not understand. To understand this, we need the different types of code which can be represent letters, alphabets or numbers. These are called alphanumeric codes. An alphanumeric code represent all of various character and functions that are found on a standard typewriter or computer keyboard. So generally these kind of code are three types: ASCII code, ISCII code and Unicode. So first we learn what is ASCII code. So ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is alphanumeric code which is used to represent alphabet, numbers as well as some kind of symbols also. So it is a 7-bit code which represent group of 128 codes. Of ASCII code, first 3 digit is known as zone bit and last 4 digit is known as digit bit. So they are following. So now we learn how we can write the ASCII code of. First here we write character A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to Z and we write number from 0 to 9. So in general in computer, small uppercase in A denoted 65 in decimal. Same for B 66, for C 67, it will be continued. So for the A, ASCII code is 1000001. So it is a 7-digit number. So our first 3 digit is known as zone bit and last 4 digit is known as digit bit. So how we can find this number? So to do this, we will find the binary number of 65. So binary number of 65 will be factorized by 2, will be equal to this number. Same kind for B 66, binary number is this. For the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, for 0 its decimal number is 48 in computers. So binary number of 48 will be equal to ASCII code of 0. Same for 49, 49 is equals to this. 50 stands for 2 and its binary conversion is equal to its ASCII code. So up to 9 this. So let's have example. So here I write example, write the ASCII code of A25. So we have to write ASCII code of A25. So what is the ASCII code of A? We will see here. So we write value of ASCII code A, then 2 and then 5. So it is our final answer, ASCII code of this. So it can be reversed also, that following number is given and we have to find the ASCII code. So how we can find this? So first of all, from the previous we will create a group of 7 digits number. This is first digit, this is second group, this is third group and last is fourth group. So then this number denotes to P. So P equal to this, then this is L, then this is E and this is H. So we can write easily ASCII code of any number. From ASCII code you can find this normal number. Our second code is ISCII code. It stands for Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is adopted by Bureau of Indian Standards. It is 8-bit code which represent 256 character. This code retain all ASCII characters and offering coding for Indian script also. It supports Gurumukhi, Gujarati, Udiya, Bengali, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam and Tamil script. So to represent all Indian languages code, we use XKey code, which stands, it is a 8-bit code which represent 256 character. So it supports all Indian scripting also, like Gurumukhi, Gujarati, Udiya, Bengali, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam and Tamil scripts. Our third code is Unicode. It is also 8-bit code. Unicode is developed as a universal character set with an aim. What was the aim of Unicode? To define all the characters needed for writing the majority of languages in use on computer in one place. To be superset of all other character set that have been encoded. So generally it support all kind of word languages like Russian, English, French, all other foreign languages it supports Unicode. So it is a common place for all languages in the world. So it is general format to represent any character in any language in the form of Unicode. So today we learned what are our character string representation, what is ASCII code and how we can write the ASCII code of any number or any word or any letter, and then we learned what is XKey code and what is Unicode.